One of our strengths at TELUS Agriculture is our data collection tools and our research infrastructure. When we think about collecting data in the operations, most of it we use it to make the operation more sustainable and profitable. Having that information also creates the opportunity to connect data between different segments of the production chain. Our team of veterinary and production experts works with individual feedlot and calf grower clients to identify what the biggest opportunities are on their operations. They look at the research that we've done over time. They combine that with some economic models using current prices and costs so that they can sit down with producers and review that so that they can make decisions about each aspect of their operation.
When we first started, we needed a system to streamline things. We wanted weights, we wanted AI records, we wanted a means of selecting cattle easier and more efficiently. That's why TELUS Animal Record Management was so useful to us. All the data that we're collecting throughout the year is right at our fingertips when we need to make quick decisions.
It helps me for feeding to know how many animals are in each paddock. It helps if you find a stray animal, you can look up where that animal belongs and if anything needs to be treated for any sort of health issue. Out in the field, you could have one bar of service and you can figure out what's going on with that animal.
When we're buying from a source that uses the same program, it's very convenient because they can transfer all the history of that whole animal right into your account. You can get in there and you can really see the stats on the cows, they're ranked and how they're performing, as well as their health records are really important for us to track. It'd be pretty difficult for me to track that all on paper. This tool has really changed the way we do business at the ranch.
For multiple generations, we've seen agriculture and agri-food change. So we are always trying to respond to those changes and be ahead of the curve as best we can. We really need correct information and data in front of us to make decisions. So we rely on TELUS Agriculture to bring that data forward so we can make the best decision for our operations.
There's a lot of stakeholders in the beef production chain, from the cow-calf producer all the way to the retailer or food service that sells beef products to consumers. If we're able to connect all of those different stakeholders, that creates the ability for us to tell our story of the beef industry all the way from the primary producer to the consumer. We have all the tools that enable us to make progress over time. We've got people with tremendous skills and creativity and expertise, and we've got tremendous clients that are open to new ideas, and I'm excited at the future as we look to all the different developments that are coming down the pipe.